Send and receive emails using DepEd Outlook. Click the app launcher or the 9 dots on the upper right corner of your screen. Click the Outlook icon. To send an email, click the New Mail button. Enter the recipient's email. In the subject field, type a brief summary of your email's content. In the message body, type your email content. Once everything is ready, click the Send button to send your email. You have successfully sent an email using Outlook. Your received emails will be displayed in the inbox. Click on any email to open and read its content.